Hello everyone, welcome back to lesson 4 of our AutoCAD Electrical tutorial series. In today's lesson, we'll talk about layers. One of the most important features for keeping our drawings neat, professional, and easy to edit. What are layers? Think of layers like transparent sheets placed on top of each other. Each layer can hold different types of objects such as text, wires, symbols, or dimensions. This makes it easier to control visibility, color, line type, and printing settings. For example, we can put all our wires on one layer, all text on another, and terminals on a separate layer. This keeps everything organized. Creating layers. Now, let's create a new layer. First, open the Layer Properties Manager. Click on New Layer and give it a name. For example, we can create layers named Text, Terminal, Connection, and Symbols. Next, assign a color and line type for each layer. This way, wires can have one color, text another, and so on. It's a best practice in electrical drawings to keep objects on separate layers. Managing layers. Once layers are created, we can manage them. We can turn layers on or off, freeze or thaw them for large projects, and lock layers to avoid accidental changes. For example, if I hide the wires layer, only the symbols and text remain visible. This makes editing much easier. Let's draw a few objects on different layers. Notice how each layer has its own properties like color and line type. If I want to hide the text, I just switch off the text layer. Always remember to check your active layer before starting to draw. Great! In this lesson, we learned how to create, manage, and use layers in AutoCAD Electrical. Layers are essential to keep our electrical drawings professional and easy to modify. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can keep building your skills and join me on the next tutorial. See you in lesson 5.